Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing one of the most useful features of Power BI, the page navigation option. With the help of this feature, we can create more interactive and user-friendly reports by allowing users to navigate between different report pages. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, we have created a complete watch list that will guide you step by step, where we explain everything you need to know. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and click on the above icon to start watching from scratch. Page navigation is a powerful feature in Power BI that allows you to create links between report pages. This is particularly useful when you want to provide additional information or insights to your users without cluttering your report. With page navigation, you can create a more natural and intuitive user experience that allows users to explore data in a more structured way. To get started with page navigation, we first need to create a report page. We have already created two pages, one is the sample report page and other is the target page. The next step is to create a button or a visual that will act as a link and will take us to the target page. To create a button, go to the Insert tab in the ribbon and click on the button option. This will create a new button on your report. Here we will be adding the I button, which is information. Now we can see that the I button is added on our canvas. We can increase or decrease the icon by selecting the corner, and even we can increase the size as per your requirement. Next, click on the button to select it, and then go to the Format pane. Click on the Action button, and then select the Page Navigation option. Now, we need to choose the target page for our button. This is the page that will be opened when the user clicks on the button. It's important to choose the right target page for your button to get the most relevant insights. Once we have selected the target page, we can customize the button by adding a display name and a tooltip. This will help the user understand what the button does and what insights they can expect on the target page. Now that we have set up our page navigation, let's test it out. Click on the button, and you will be taken to the target page with the data filtered based on the selection you made in the source page. Page navigation is a powerful way to create more interactive and user-friendly reports in Power BI. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily set up and test page navigation in your own Power BI reports. These links can help you to provide additional context or insights to your users without cluttering your report and create a more natural and intuitive user experience. In summary, page navigation is a useful feature in Power BI that allows us to create links between report pages. By choosing the right target page and customizing the button display, we can create a more natural and intuitive user experience that allows users to explore data in a more structured way. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Power BI tutorials to enhance your data analysis skills. We hope this video was helpful in understanding how to use the page navigation option in Power BI. Thank you for watching and happy reporting.